Okay, so working on cutting the holes in the speaker pods now. These guys, these speakers are going to mount flush up against here. On the back of my box, speaker box, they provide a cutout so that I can have the right size hole. Now, one thing about these pods, they don't have an index mark for the center of the pod. And the pod is going to sit on the wall of the trailer with the fat side on top. Just to, provide a little bit of angle on the speaker. And so what I had to do to figure out the angle was just put it on a flat surface, get it, rotate it to where I thought it was centered. And then just to double check, I put the pod up on a wall, and I actually had to fine tune it a little bit. I found that my flat center was not exactly center. When I put it up on a wall vertically, I could tell that I was off by a few degrees. So I just had to adjust. I put a tape line or a line on some tape, top and bottom, and that will just hold my center line for the duration of my work. You can see here barely that I have already scribed, marked with a Sharpie my hole. Fortunately, they give us a top center. So I have it marked. I think I'm gonna cut it with a roto zip. And I'm gonna use this rotary tool this rotary cutter to hopefully cut through this plastic. It's fairly hard plastic. I'm hoping that this doesn't just melt the plastic. If it does, I might have to use a different saw, an actual saw instead of a rotary tool. But I'll let you know how it goes.